What is underwriting? Underwriting is the process of a lender taking a home loan file and underwriting or looking at all of the things that are required to be completed before they issue what's called a clear to close or wire funds for your closing. What they will look at is all of the docs that you have provided us. They will look at your stated income. They will check all of the numbers, make sure there's nothing else needed to be able to issue a clear to close. Now, it is very typical and very likely that during underwriting, they will request additional documentation. So if this happens, don't get worried. Don't be afraid. It happens all the time. So we will reach out, our processor will reach out and request anything needed during underwriting to give to them so that we can get you to a clear to close.